Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of cutting-edge technology with part 2 of our series on dangerous hacking gadgets. But remember, with great technology comes great responsibility. Let's embark on this eye-opening journey into the realm of hacking gadgets together. First one is Wall Sound Listener, which is the ultimate tool for eavesdropping. This incredible device allows you to listen in on conversations happening on the other side of the walls, making it the perfect tool for private investigators, journalists, or anyone looking to satisfy their curiosity. With its high-tech sound amplification technology, this gadget can pick up even the slightest whisper from up to 50 feet away. Its compact design makes it easy to conceal, so you can listen in on conversations without anyone knowing. Second one is USB Rubber Ducky. This is small but powerful device allows you to carry out a wide range of hacking operations with ease. With its simple design, the USB Rubber Ducky can be easily plugged into any computer, where it can then execute pre-programmed keystrokes to automate tasks or execute malicious code. Third one is Schnell Watch Hacking Gadget. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this is the perfect accessory for those who value convenience and style. This cutting-edge device allows you to answer calls by simply placing your fingertip to your ear, transmitting sound vibrations through your body. However, any device with wireless connectivity could potentially be vulnerable to hacking or security breaches if proper precautions aren't taken. Fourth one is HackRF1. It's a highly versatile software-defined radio, SDR, that is perfect for anyone who wants to explore the world of wireless communications and hacking. The HackRF1 is a small and powerful gadget that can transmit, receive, and manipulate a wide range of radio frequencies. It can be used for various purposes, such as analyzing and decoding wireless signals, testing the security of wireless networks, and even creating your own radio station. The best part about HackRF1 is that it's an open-source hardware platform. With the help of various third-party software applications, you can use HackRF1 to perform a wide range of hacking tasks. The last one is Hardware Keylogger Hacking Gadget. If you're looking to gain unauthorized access to someone's sensitive information, could be just what you need. These small, inconspicuous devices can be plugged into a computer's USB port and will record every keystroke made on the keyboard, allowing you to capture passwords, credit card numbers, and other sensitive data. While using a hardware keylogger without permission is illegal, these devices can be useful for security professionals and administrators who need to monitor their own systems. As we conclude our exploration into the world of dangerous hacking gadgets, thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zero Touch Cyber.